Hello, this is a tutorial for my Lego puzzle box or boxes brothers. This is part 3 and the last part is on the small, his little brother. So start with maybe 6x2 and a 1x2 brick, and then a 1x2 on top there. You can see the gap, and then a 1x2 smooth here. Put two 2x2 bricks on this side. Then you take another 6x2 and put a 1x1 here, 1x1 flat. And then you smooth pieces. Yeah. Then take a 6x1 with a 1x4 here. So, look something like this. And then you take two 1x4s and then a 1x4 smooth, or two 2x1s. That will be here. You take a 4x2 flat and put it here. Then a 2x2 and maybe another 2x2. I got two 1x2s here in white. Here you'll put a 1x4 with a 1x2 on top, 1x2 here also, then a 2x6 with a smooth piece, because here is this, gonna slide and drop this, it's lays there. So you take a 4x2, then 2x2 and two 1x2 bricks here, or a 4x2, and then you 4x2, 2x2, and here's a 1x3. Put it on. Do the same thing, but reverse, or just make another, except that you put like this, so you will two have mirror pieces. However, you put them like this, so this 1x1 thing here will be on these two. You know what I mean. Then you take a 4x2, and under you put two 2x2s. Come on. Well, okay, 2x2s and two 1x2s, then a 2x2 flat and a 2x1 flat. Here a 2x1 with a 2x1 flat on top. You put this key or this piece under here, and then you slide like this. So then you slide it like this on the way here. Alright, and here you put a 1x6. I took a 1x6 smooth because I didn't have any other pieces. So under you'll make a 6x8 base. Put it on, and then the same size on the top. If you know what I mean. Then there we go. Tutorials. The tutorial for brothers. Bye.